10 ways to increase your cash flow. You can roll regular fees right into the rental price. One quick way to save yourself a lot of money is to simply manage your own properties. Here's an easy one. If you haven't done it in a long time, it might be time for you to raise the rent. Are you charging for pet violations? If not, you're leaving money on the table. Do your tenants pay late? If so, you can probably charge late fees and collect even more from those tenants. You may not like the sound of this, but you may have to evict sooner in order to generate more profit from your rentals. How long has it been since you shopped around for your insurance policies? If you haven't done it, there's a ton of money you could save right now. Are you hiring quality contractors for repair work on your home? If not, you could be losing a ton of money. Hire quality, raise your revenue. If you're not collecting costs from your tenants for damages that they have caused, you're losing money. Bill your tenants, collect those funds. If you can anticipate costs, you can plan for the future in a way that makes money for you instead of wastes money. Subscribe to us and I'll tell you about